Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You've got the doc open and a backup saved. Now act. Turn on non-printing characters so you can see manual page breaks and section breaks. Once visible, press Ctrl+H to open Find and Replace. In the Find box, type M to target manual page breaks. Leave Replace empty. Click Replace All. You're doing this because Find/Replace removes every instance reliably and faster than hunting each break. Make sure to watch the count of replacements to confirm changes. Once manual page breaks are gone, tackle section breaks using Find/Replace again. Put B in Find and leave Replace empty. Replace all, but proceed cautiously because section breaks store different page settings. Removing them may merge headers, footers, or page orientation. If you need to preserve formatting, change the Replace box to a single paragraph mark, P, and then reapply necessary section-level settings. You'll want to scroll through the document immediately to verify layout and header. Finish by reviewing the whole document for layout or header/footer issues introduced when breaks were removed. If a stubborn break remains or formatting is corrupted, select all content, paste into a new document using Keep Text only to strip hidden break characters, then reapply basic formatting. This often resolves persistent breaks. Once satisfied, save and export to PDF or print a test page to confirm. If things go wrong, revert to your backup and try the selective replace or paste method instead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.